Welcome to Holly Community Incorporated and to our demonstration center. Today I've put out some of our adapted mice. These are all items that can be connected to a computer and used in a special way. Now, instead of a regular standard mouse, this one is a trackball. This means that you can hold it, use your index finger, and roll it around. Left and right clicks are very simple. But this one, your hand does not travel around the desktop. This one stays in one place. Very easy to find. This one's by Logitech. Here's a different one. This is called the Renaissance mouse by 3M. This one you hold in a completely different method. This one, your arm, this part of your arm rests right on top of it. You do your right and your left click with your thumb, and a center click right there. It's a different method. You do travel around with this one, but it's easier on your hand. This one is a large trackball. Very colorful, very good for children, but also very good for adults who need that smooth motion because they may have tremors and they're having difficulty getting to one individual spot on a keyboard or on the screen of their computer. Right, left click, center. Very simple plug and play. This one is the Orbitrack. Different, you have to program this one for right and left click. You can use it sideways, you can use it upside down. This is for people who have very limited ability with their hands. They wouldn't be able to travel along a desktop. This one, they have to be able to touch things very slowly and move things in small movements. Perhaps someone with muscular dystrophy, this would be a possibility for them. On this shelf, we've gone back to the trackballs. This one's bigger, makes it much easier if you only have big movements with your hand or you're only able to use part of your hand. You can actually activate your right and left click without touching it with your fingers. This one is a very large ball. Very good for moving around. Very simple. We have a no hands mouse. This is a picture of one that you use with your feet. That these can be separated by quite a different space and still be usable. Here's one that came out of a standard catalog using one foot, but it's your right and your left click. So if you have an activity that requires a lot of right and left click, this might be the answer without using a mouse. You can keep your hands on the keyboard. For someone who is not able to control a mouse, even with all the other adaptations, this is called a mouse mover by Tash. This one you plug into your computer, but you're able to put in the total of 6 different switches. This means you have a left click, a right click, and up and down you're able to control with several different little switches like this. These could be placed on the tray of someone who's in a wheelchair and positioned so that with big movements they can activate right or left, or they could hold down if they wanted to be able to move their cursor on the screen, right, left, up, down. This makes it so that lots of people can use a computer who never thought they could before. If you'd like to see any of these products, try them out, please stop out at Holly Community Incorporated at our demonstration center and see them, try them, and see if they would make a difference in your life. We're located in the Senior Services Building in Salisbury, Maryland. Bye for now.